What's up guys? So in today's episode we are going to be unboxing my full Airlift Performance 3P set, and then I'm going to be going over a couple more modifications that I think you should do if you are going to be going on air suspension. Alright guys, so here we have laid out most of the Airlift Performance 3P kit. We also have an Optima battery that we're going to be installing in the car, and that's to prevent the battery from dying from the compressor needs. And then also we have rear control arms, and that's just to be able to handle the crazy ride height adjustments that we're going to be doing while we're on air. We also have this airline cover that we're going to be covering all of the airlines with, and that's just to prevent them from getting like punctured or anything like that. Just an added set of protection. Does not come with the kit, so you have to order that yourself. Alright guys, so we are going to go to Lowe's right now and pick out the hardwood flooring, I guess you can call it, for the trunk setup. I want to go for like a pretty clean look, so I'm not entirely sure what color I'm going to get yet, so let's head to Lowe's. We're going to mob the Corolla. Yeah, I know, it's a Corolla. Alright guys, so we just got to Lowe's. Check out this Hyper Blue Ford. That's tight. So as you can see here, we have the laminate flooring that we're going to be installing in the trunk. I chose like a whitish gray kind of color, so I think that'll probably be the cleanest look here. We drew a little template on it of the trunk. We'll see how that fits. Should fit fine. But yeah, hopefully this works out. I've never done this before. I've never even cut wood before. So this is pretty cheap flooring, so if I mess it up, that's fine. But we just got back from my neighbor's house actually. I tried cutting this wood, laminate, whatever you want to call it, and turns out I'm not the best wood cutter. So I asked one of my neighbors for help, and let's check it out. So here we have like a test fit of the laminate wood in the tank in the trunk. I need to work on a couple of the side pieces, but other than that, it fits pretty good with just using a little cutout of the little carpet that comes in the trunk. So I'm probably gonna have the tank sitting right there, and then I will be routing everything out from underneath where the spare tire goes. I'm gonna have all of the compressor and the command unit and whatnot, everything down there. Try to go for the cleanest look that we can get. It's very intimidating, I'm not gonna lie. The parts, it's like a giant puzzle. But I believe, now that I've like researched it and I kind of understand what's going on, break it down into steps and accomplish each step individually, it makes it a lot less intimidating, I guess, because you have like a goal. Like my goal right now is to remove each strut, put it in the car. Boom, work towards that goal. Next goal, route all the wiring. Boom, and then route all the air things. If you're thinking about doing it all at the same time, it's just gonna be super confusing. So my recommendation, install the struts, do the power, do the airlines. Let's do it. Alexa, play music.
Tabitha James Station from Apple Music.
Alright, so as you can see in the video, it got a little too dark for me to film, but we did finish installing the struts on the front yesterday, so looking pretty good there. And the other one is on as well. Here's a view from the top. The airline is obviously not hooked up yet, but we'll get to that in a different video. And here's the old Fortunato suspension. I might be selling this to my WRX channel, so we'll see. That suspension is super sick. Definitely a really good racing setup. Anyway, that's probably going to be it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you next time.